Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So, I've completed 2 of my Acrylayers or Acrylayers from Amazon haul, and I still have my dolphin to do. Okay, so I've completed the giraffe with its teddy and the little pussycat, and as I say, I've just got the dolphin still to do. But the lovely Celine from the USA did send me some notes about these because she's got some and done them, and she told me that Amazon haul opened up a distribution centre in China, and the items are all shipped from there, so that's why it's on a separate page to the normal Amazon UK page. It's because these are coming from China. So really interesting information. Apparently in the US they fluctuate between $5 and $12, and Celine usually waits until they're under $7 to buy them. So I got a really good buy on these. Mind you, I suppose, just thinking, yeah, I would think $7 probably is round about the £4-5 mark. So probably a similar price to us in the UK. And she did tell me that apparently the top cover on the dolphin, which I thought was a lovely decoration feature, this is actually on the cover sheet. Right, what have I done with my tweezers? Oh, I've got a screwdriver, hang on. Oh, it's on the reverse side, hang on. To see if there's a right way and a wrong way to do it, then Liz will always find the wrong way. Yeah, look, so thank you, Celine. I just thought that was a nice, pretty, hot pink line and pattern on my acrylic, but it's not. It is just, I don't know, something that's been left on, I suppose, at the manufacturers. So there you are. She's normally, the top covers have words across them. I suppose it's so that you know to take them off. Apparently the magnets are really, really strong, and they just jump into place. And she also says if the magnets drop out of the little slots in the acrylic pieces, that they're easy just to slot back in as well. And she's also added that if you want to look for them on Amazon haul, then if you use words like Acrylayers and 4-layer and 4-layered, it brings up all the different ones in the search. So thank you ever so much. I really do like receiving the hints and tips and things. And the final thing she's just added is that there's some more special diamond paintings on Amazon called Jishshay, Jishshay, and they come with a frame. It's acrylic and it has a kickstand on the back, and they're usually about $7 as well. So yeah, thank you for all that. So yeah, it's great to share, and I do love hearing all these things. So huge thank you, Celine, for sending all those in. That's wonderful. So let's have a look at our great little finishes, and let me find my tweezers. Right, so we will look at Giraffe and Teddy first. So just bear with me while I get the acrylic off these. Oh, I love that noise. Right, that's one. My tweezers have vanished. They're probably on the floor somewhere, but I will get them later. So yeah, I'm using one of the dinky little doodah screwdrivers that I've got. So that's one. Trying carefully not to put my fingers on them. And then let's take the back one off this one. Obviously I've done the fronts because I've diamond painted the fronts. Yay! Oh dear, come on. Oh. Oh well, that's the end of that little screwdriver then. Okay, last one. Bye. They fought back. That was a bit of a struggle. And a broken screwdriver. So these are absolutely adorable, gorgeous. I just love them so much. So that's our bottom layer with all like the background and the foliage. And they were really, really sticky and brilliant. Plenty of your crystals left over. No problem with any of them sticking at all. And it just went together like a dream. And they weren't difficult to do. They were quick in the fact that there's not that many gems to put on them. So that's our first layer. And then our second layer. Now then we need to put the little magnets in between. This could be fun. So we want 4 magnets. Okay, see if I can count. And we're going to put 1. They do actually fit together without the magnets, but it's squishing onto the acrylic, and I think that will eventually scratch the acrylic. So you are better off using the extra magnets so that it will fit into place a little bit better. So we'll put the extra 4 on there. Quite fiddly, but they're okay. And then, oops, we'll lift this one up, which has just got the giraffe and the teddy. The teddy does look so worried. He definitely needs a cuddle. And that just clips into place there. So you get the extra 3D element. I love these. These are just fabulous. Why have I never seen these before? And oh gosh, somebody saved me from going and having another look. Because there must be about another 10 or 12 more different ones. And I would think they've been so popular that people will be going back and having another look and trying to get some more, just like me, only I'm not going to. And then that one will just clip into place there. Look at the depth that you get. That is just so pretty, and the shine from them. And then last but not least, the top layer, and we'll put, yeah, these are great. I mean, they are, as I say, they're fiddly because they're small, but because the magnets, it's just grabbing onto it, and yeah, it's just jumping into place. You're not really having to try and, you know, like put a diamond in without a pair of tweezers or without your gel pen. And look at that. So wow, these are, oh, sorry about the reflection. Let's see if we can get it without, that's a bit better without, oh, look at me, yeah, have me as the shadow. But these are absolutely gorgeous, and that's your thickness of it there. Look, once it's all together, probably about 1 inch, I would think. Let me just do a quick measure, seeing as I have got my tape measure to hand. Yeah, they're sort of just over 2 centimetres, between 3/4 of an inch and 1 inch. So yeah, not too bad. So they will go on like a window ledge or a small mantelpiece or somewhere. But yeah, just the depth of them and the sparkle. These are just wonderful. I love them. I really, really do love them. Right, so let's look at our puss cat quickly before Millie gets back from a walk. I'm desperately trying to think when I last had my tweezers now. I don't recommend using a screwdriver, I have to say. But if you are going to do something like this on acrylic, I would always go in the corner, particularly on these, so that it's not going to show because it's going to be covered up. So if you do accidentally scratch something, then it is covered over in the corner. So I speak from experience. All right, let me just get all these done. Okay. Right, so we want our little magnets again. I think the hardest part, most definitely, of doing these is taking the cover sheets off the back. Who'd have thought? Honestly, mind you, if you use the right tools for the job, then that probably would help. But oh, look at this. The way the magnets just jump into place and say, yay. Do you know, I don't think I'm going to seal these either, because although they're sort of open at the top for dust to settle on the top, there's not really anything coming at them. So I'm going to see how they go anyway without being sealed. And yeah, we'll do a test and see whether they do collect any dust or anything. So, oh, these are gorgeous. just love this. The colours on that first one with all that jadey green and the hot pink just to accent it, just to set it off, is just amazing. So look at that. And I love the sunflowers. I think they are super, very poignant, but all this like breeze, and you can just see the movement in the picture. It's marvellous. I love it. And that little face is so cute. And right on cue, just as I'm doing the CAT one. Well, actually, it's a kitten, isn't it? Millie comes back from a walk. Yay! So just clip that one into place. So we've just got this one done. Look, and they've even done the green of the leaves across the little kitten there. It's just, the detail is amazing. And then finally, the sunflowers on the top. And then we put another cover over the top of that. Say the depth on these is just, I wish you could get it better, but all you're getting is the glare from my light, unfortunately. If I do it sideways, no, you're just getting my walls. I do apologise, you can get it better without there, so yeah. But these, so simple, easy to do, but so satisfying. You're still doing your diamond painting, but you're creating something, an ornament, something absolutely stunning. Oh, I wish they didn't have the glare on them. Put them closer this way, maybe. No. Oh dear. All you can see is my ring light and my walls. I do apologise. Right, so this afternoon then, my next job is going to be my dolphin without the stripes on. So yeah, we're going to be doing all that lovely background, and then the dolphin, just the little dolphin, and then a whole front. This has got the most gems on it, I would suggest, from the others, because, you know, there is quite a bit on the front as well as the background. So yeah, if you put those two together, look, it's a full coverage. The whole of this little 6x4 inch picture is covered with gems, whereas the others, well, I suppose that one maybe is. I don't know, maybe I'm talking nonsense, but nothing new there then. So I will let you see this one once it's done, but I won't bore you showing you the same thing over and over again. But yeah, and we've got some lovely hot pink in this one as well. So yes. So I was just going to put photographs of this completion in, but I just thought I'd mention, oh gosh, look at the glare. Let me take the top layer off. Does that look? No, not really look a little bit better, but yeah, I mean, this one is still as nice and shiny, and the gems are lovely, and the layers have gone together well, but the magnets seem a lot stronger on this one. While I was putting the magnets on, the other little pile of magnets jumped and stuck to the side of the little canvas of the acrylics, so it was a little bit different, this one. Yeah, it just feels as though the magnets are stronger. I think I may have said that when I unboxed this one. It did come with the different toolkit as well, the different shaped boat. The others had the oval boats, and this had like a standard kit. And then the amount of gems left over is a lot less. Look, that's 2 colours on this one. There's only 3 gems actually left in that bag there. So yeah, very, very strange. Compared to the other 2, there was lots of gems left. I think that's possibly the most amount, but all of the other bags in the other 2 that I did, the little giraffe and the cat, seem to have a lot more in them. So yeah, I don't know whether this is a different sort of manufacturer, or whether it's a different person that packed it, or maybe this is an old one and they're the new ones, or vice versa. So yeah, it was just that little bit different. So I thought I'd just pop on and show you those, but they are gorgeous, and I definitely do want some more, but it'll have to wait. So anyway, back to the main video. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed seeing these. Apologies again for the glare. Not good, not good. If you have enjoyed it, then as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And I will put the links to Amazon haul and all of these down in the description down below as well. If you can't see it, if you click on the bit that says more with the little dots next to it, and then another one comes up with more again on it, and click on that one, then you'll get the full descriptions of everything, and that's the same in all of my videos. And if you do want to see the unboxing of these, then if you check my playlist, it's in the Amazon playlist up there as well. So yeah, but I love them. Oh, what's that on there? I've got a little bit just on that one. Just 1 second. Oh no, it's not. It's actually part of the picture. I think it's actually part of the picture. I thought I had a bit. I thought I'd got a piece of putty or something on there, but no, I think it's actually part of the picture. Typical me. Okay, anyway, if you'd like to see this one finished and see everything else that we get up to, then you can do that by joining our little family, subscribing to the channel by pressing that button or scanning the QR code on screen, and it'll take you to a little sort of like drop down menu. If you click on all notifications, it just lets you know Liz has uploaded a new video, and hopefully you'll say yes, I want to come and see it. Okay, well, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everyone, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.